Good morning, students. You are most welcome in SKG tutorial online classes. I am SK Gupta, Santosh Kumar Gupta. I have to teach you physics for class 10th, electricity. Electricity is a type of energy in which electric current is passed in metallic wire through which our electrical appliances like electric bulb, TV, cooler and so on, electrical appliances can work. First we have to know in electricity how electric current can flow. Electric current can flow by the passage of electrons in metallic wire or metallic conductor. So we have to first know what is electric charge. What is electric charge? विद्युत आवेश क्या है? Electric charge is gained by any substance, any object when there is loss of electrons or gain of electrons. When any substance loses electrons, then it becomes positive charge, and when any substance gain electrons, then it becomes negative. So in nature, when we rub any two substances with each other, then they will get opposite charge on each other. Like when we rub silk with ebonite rod, then they are charged oppositively on each other. Dear students, SI unit of charge is Coulomb, and charge is equal to Ne, where Q is electric charge, N is number of electrons, E is charge of electron. Charge of electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. If we have to calculate what is the number of electrons in a given charge, then we have to apply formula N is equal to Q upon E. N is equal to Q upon E. N means number of electrons, Q means electric charge, E means charge of one electron, that is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb. Dear students, we have to solve one question on the basis of charge and electron. Let us take example. Calculate number of electrons in 1 Coulomb of charge. We have to take formula Q is equal to Ne. We have to calculate number of electrons. So we take N is equal to Q upon E. That is, amount of charge is 1 Coulomb. Charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When we calculate the number of electrons, then we take absolute charge of electron. That is, we have to take only magnitude of the charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When we solve it, then we get 1 upon 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to 10 power. When it is go upward, then it becomes 10 power minus, it becomes 10 power 18, 10 power 19, 10 to the power minus 19 becomes 10 power 19. Then multiply with 100, it becomes 10 power 19. We get 100 into 10 power 19 upon 160. We get 0.625 into 10 power 19. In standard form, it becomes 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. Dear students, when we have to calculate number of electrons, then we use formula N is equal to Q upon E. We have to put the value of charge and what is the charge of one electron. Here given charge is 1 coulomb and charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So when we solve it, then we get 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Means in 1 coulomb charge, there is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Next heading, there is two type of charges, positive, negative. When any substance loses electron, then it becomes positive, and when any substance gain electrons, then it becomes negative. Electric current, we have to define it. Electric current, SI unit is ampere. I is equal to Q upon T. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. When we have to measure the amount of current passing through a electric circuit, then we can measure the amount of electric current by using ammeter. To the series of that resistance, we can calculate the amount of electric current. Dear students, next question. Calculate total charge when 12.5 into 10 to the power 18 electrons are removed. टोटल चार्ज कितना होगा जब किसी सब्सटेंस से 12.5 into 10 to the power 18 electrons को रिमूव कर दिया जाए. Let us solve it. Q is equal to Ne, means number of electrons is 12.5 into 10 to the power 18 into minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. When we solve it, then we get 12.5 into minus 1.6 into 10 to the power 18 and multiplied with 10 power minus 19, then we get 10 power minus 1. After multiplication, we get minus 20 into 10 power minus 1. We can write it minus 20 upon 10, that is equal to minus 2 coulomb. Minus 2 coulomb. Dear students, next question. How we can calculate value of electric current when electric charge is 25 coulomb in 5 seconds? We know that I is equal to Q upon T. So, by putting the value of electric charge 25 and time is equal to 5 seconds, we get 5 ampere current. In question number 4, calculate the value of electric current when charge is 240 coulomb in 2 minutes. In this question, when we have to solve it. Then we have to convert minute into second. Then I is equal to q upon t. We have to put the value of q is equal to 2040 coulomb and time is equal to 60 into 2, that is 120 seconds. Dear students, on the basis of these questions, you have to solve this type of questions. Thank you very much.